General knowledge, question and answers on Indian currency. How many languages are there on the Indian currency note? 17 languages. English and Hindi on the front side and 15 languages on the back side, illustrating the diversity of the country. The languages are displayed in alphabetical order. Whose signature is there on the Indian currency notes? RBI, Governor of India. What is the ISO code of Indian rupee? INR stands for Indian rupee. Who issued the first rupiah? Sher Shah Suri. Silver coin issued by Sher Shah Suri. It remained in using during the Mughal period, Maratha era and British India. How many paisa are there in 1 rupee? 100 paisa. Which bank manages the currency of India? Reserve Bank of India. Who prints the Indian currency note? Reserve Bank of India. Who designed the Indian rupee symbol? Udaya Kumar Dharmalingam. The design is based on the Devangiri letter Ra with a double horizontal line at the top. When was rupees 2000 note introduced in India? 8th November 2016. Which was the highest denomination currency note in India? Rupees 10,000. When did RBI print the 5 rupee paper currency for the first time? January 1938. When did the Indian government issued 10,000 rupees currency note for the first time? 1889. When did RBI issued 10,000 rupees currency note for the first time? June 1938. What is the picture on the back side of the 500 rupees note? Red Fort. What is the picture on the back side of the 2000 rupees note? Mangalyaan. It was launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation on November 5, 2013. This note shows the scientific prosperity of India. What is the picture on the back side of the new 200 rupees note? Sanchi Stupa. What is the picture on the back side of the new 100 rupees note? Rani Ki Vav. What is the picture on the back side of the new 50 rupees note? Humpy with chariot. What is the picture on the back side of the new 10 rupees note? Sun Temple, Konark. What is the picture on the back side of the new 20 rupees note? Ellora Caves. On what basis printing of currency notes will be done in India. Minimum Reserve System (MRS). This system is applicable in India since 1956. According to this system, the Reserve Bank of India has to maintain assets of at least 200 crore rupees all the times. From which country ink is imported to print currency notes of India? Switzerland. Skipa company that involved in inks and security technologies and focuses on banknotes, documents, postage stamps and security labels. Whose signature does the 1 rupee note carry in our country? Finance Secretary. The 1 rupee note is the only note bearing the signature of the Finance Secretary and not the Governor of the RBI.
Thank you for watching.